It's week 3 of Developmental Literacy 3043, and this week our topic is interactive writing. Your outcome is to be able to explain in writing the purposes for interactive writing in the balanced literacy classroom. Your tasks are to view all of the videos of interactive writing in week 3 on Moodle. Read the excerpt, Interactive Writing and Interactive Editing. There are 2 articles that can be found under Supplemental Resources in Week 2 that you will need to read. The first article is Interactive Writing, and the second is Extending Interactive Writing into Grades 2 through 5. You have a discussion forum. This week, your initial response needs to be posted by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. And after reading all of the information and viewing the videos this week, you need to explain what you feel are the main components in an interactive writing lesson in the primary grades, what needs to be part of every lesson, and what is non-negotiable. The second part is to explain how interactive writing should be used in the intermediate grades. Would the focus be the same? If not, what should teachers focus on in these lessons? You also may want to take a look at the instructional context for interactive writing in the guided reading text, which is found on pages 41, 42, and 43. Remember that you need to provide substantial feedback to 2 of your colleagues. Support your thinking with evidence from at least 2 outside sources as well as the guided reading text. Peer responses are due Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Here are the directions again. Please self-assess with the rubric before posting on Moodle. Your post is worth 20 points. Again, don't hesitate to email me if you have questions or concerns. Thank you.